Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off TalkBack on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, okay, you can see the talkback. Okay, tap the talkback, and here in talkback, you can see the switch button on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, you'll have to do is switch on to turn on the talkback. And the pop-up below are show, okay, tap the allow button, and another pop-up, tap the turn on button to turn on the talkback. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on talkback. And okay guys, when talkback is on, it's provide spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. Talkback is intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. And okay guys, how to use the talkback. Okay, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag two finger to scroll. And okay guys, to turn off the talkback, okay, tap the switch button once. And after you tap the switch button, okay, double tap to turn off. And okay guys, the pop-up below are show, okay, select or tap the turn off button. And after you tap, okay, double tap the turn off button to turn off your talkback. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off talkback on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.